Okay, big box arrived. I was hoping it'd be my seat, but I think it's going to be the rear rack and the storage box. So when you look for parts for the 2020 model, it's like almost nil when it comes to Honda Genuine. So I just took the model numbers and searched them for the rear case and the rear rack, and according to Honda, I think it was 2014 and up should fit. So I found these on eBay. I believe they're both for a 2016. So let's crack this box open and see if they fit. Alright, when taking this apart, you have to get the little fuel latch here released. And it's just these two little pins. You gotta pop them loose because they hold themselves in here. And then on the new rack, it will also have that same setup. Don't forget, you're gonna need these that are inside here. I just took this little poker and just kind of worked them through. And then these go on the bottom on this one. Just right there. You can get them in there. Try not to stab myself. Ah, really? Under the couch. I'll have to fish that out in a minute. Man, these are snug. Okay, now this should slide in place. Love that. So you gotta get this little piece of the body here past this little bar without breaking it. And there we go. Go on that side. Okay, it doesn't have one on that side. Just this side. Okay, that lines up. Take your bolts. Push them in here. Do that one pilot and then we'll put this back together. Okay, if you want to come over here, come on this side. Alright, so first put one washer back. No, put one pin back. Okay, then a washer. And this goes back in this slot. Might have to let it down. So I probably should have taken this off, but I didn't really want to do any extra panels and stuff. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to fit that in there now. I guess I had to. Well, no, here, if I just let it down. Right there. Feed that in there, I think. I should have took the stupid panel off. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to. I was able to get it off without taking it off, but putting it back on seems like a lot of extra steps. I think you have to take this seat off and the tail light. Otherwise, hang on, I think I can do this. Take that back out. Lift this back up. There we go. So, might need a hand here, but see if I can do it myself. Alright, washer goes on. Pin goes back in. Can you see that? Get the stupid pin back in. It's hitting the inside of that washer. There we go. Okay, we didn't have to take the stupid fairing off. Thank God for that. Now I can fish this back behind here. Should have taken it off, I guess. Just trying to save time. Ah, I know you just didn't. Come on. Kill the damn video. Okay, so to get past that issue, there is enough slack in this arm to mount that up here without ever putting the bolts in yet. So the bolts are in, she's ready to go. And we're gonna slap this big boy on there. It's a lot bigger than I realized. Okay, so I was wondering why this didn't come with any bolts. You wanna look in here? It's got this nice little strap here. Haven't quite figured out how you take it apart. So, okay, like that. Anyhow, you'll notice it's nice, smooth. There are a couple of spots here. But there's not. Those don't line up with the holes on the bottom. So anyhow, so the way this comes off is you got this red lever here. You're gonna push that in, and then it just comes right off. Now you'll see there are some holes here if you wanted to bolt it in at a later time, but it's not necessary. As you line this up here, that hooks in, push that, that locks into place, and then whenever you close it, this comes up, latches down. You gotta put the key in. Key comes and locks onto that red latch, so now no one can come up and just take your luggage. And it's on there, so it is very big. Let me see. So, finished product. It's a very large container. Now, another thing that's kind of frustrating is you have to buy the back pad separate. I hadn't ordered that yet. It was another $100 I really didn't want to spend. But you got your rack and your box. I think I paid, because I bought it through eBay. Where'd that sheet go? Whatever. I want to say it was $130 for this, $266 for the box. Now this looks like it'll probably reflect lights at night, which would be nice. And it's also got this extra nice silver finish, which should also reflect lights. I still haven't gotten my seat in yet. They sent me half of it. So I got the passenger seat. And this is what it looks like. And it feels like it'd be significantly more comfortable. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed the video.